much longer am I going to feel like this? I wish I didn't have to go to work today.
Well, don't tell me you're going to.
No. It's just another code. I've sure had bad luck this year.
Your luck's good enough. It's your judgment that's bad. You know, you keep wearing yourself down until you're ready to catch the first cold that blows your way. How about that square dance last Saturday? Lights, music. You were the life of the party. Swell, nothing the matter with that. But then what did you do? If I told you once, I told you a dozen times, don't sit in a draft when you're overheated. Where was your common sense? And did you know when to go home? No, sir, not you. You danced until you were tired out. And then you danced on and on and on until you were completely exhausted. To build up your resistance, you needed a good night's sleep, which you didn't get. You needed a well-balanced breakfast, which you didn't eat, and some relaxing recreation, which you overdid. You didn't even have enough sense to come in out of the rain. Of course, getting so tired didn't exactly sweeten your disposition any. And every time you got emotionally upset, man, you knocked your resistance down another peg. What a week. Your resistance was all burned up. You were a pushover for the first germ that came along. And they came along, all right.